What's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to look at Near Protocol, go over some of the recent updates and partnerships and things launching on Near Protocol. They recently had the ETH Denver 2022 event, and some good things came to light there, okay? They partnered with Elliptic, okay? And they launched Pagoda, all right? So we're going to get into both of those. By the end of this video, you'll be a little bit more familiar with the updates and what exactly it means for Near Protocol. But for right now, we'll go ahead and look at the chart real quick, okay? Let's look at the chart. And I want to show you guys we have this inverse head and shoulders pattern, okay? Now, this is a bullish stock pattern, or I'm sorry, chart pattern, okay? This is a bullish chart pattern. We have our left shoulder here, we have our head right here, and we have our right shoulder right here. If you need a small video, short video, like kind of explaining what an inverse head and shoulder is, I have one in the top right-hand corner you can watch. But for the sake of this video, we're just giving a brief update on some of the technical analysis. I want to show you guys, okay? I gave the breakout levels when we were here. And I gave the bullish price targets. We didn't hit all the way up to this bullish price target. But the breakout level was valid, and it's a valid support and a resistance right now. Currently it's a resistance, and I gave the base support levels, and if we zoom in here again, you can see we found support right along these levels very, very nicely. Okay, so all of these levels have been super valid. You're going to want to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned, to all of my charting updates. Going to give you guys some really unbiased, just technical analysis. Okay. Everybody was calling me a bearish maximalist when I was posting, some really big head and shoulders patterns, that were going to bring down a lot of these crypto coins. And nobody wanted to believe me. And, people, like I said, people were, calling me a bearish maximalist. Well, right now, we're bouncing off these base support levels, and we got a bullish pattern forming along with bullishness in the in Bitcoin, and along with bullishness, just really some good things going on with them. Okay, based off this ETH Denver 2022 event. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into Pagoda, which is the world's first Web3 startup platform. Okay. At ETH Denver 2022, a top blockchain conference and hackathon, we proudly announced the launch of Pagoda, the world's first Web3 startup platform. All right. And their vision is to empower developers with a fully Web3 native tool set for building, maintaining, and scaling blockchain-based startups. All right. And it goes on to say in here, basically, essentially, in the first 7 years of smart contract blockchains, things have gotten improved. All right. But, they're still kind of restricted. All right. Here enter Pagoda, the first integrated Web3 startup platform and end-to-end solution for developer entrepreneurs. They're trying to, solve the problem that there is with the smart contract blockchains. Okay. The blockchain ecosystem still largely relies on many Web 2 tools, especially the tools required to monitor an app's performance and to track adoption and growth. These aren't designed to work with Web 3 products and come with all the platform risks that Web 3 seeks to avoid. Every service we use now in Web 2 needs to be rebuilt to integrate with Web 3 to support the principles of users owning their own data and blockchain-based accounts. All right. Basically, Pagoda's objective is to offer Web3 native, fully decentralized versions of these tools at every layer of the stack, from the base blockchain protocol all the way up to the application and marketing / distribution layers. Right now, overall, this is going to help grow the Near ecosystem, right? Which they're saying is the best choice for founders. In 2018. Their original mandate was to build Near Protocol and launch mainnet, which they did in October 2020. And from there, they focused on maintaining and evolving the protocol, notably with the launch of sharding, which started in late 2021, and improving the developer experience. Now, sharding is very, very key. And one of the biggest, bullish factors on Near Protocol is Near's sharding design, Nightshade. I have a whole video covering Nightshade in the top right-hand corner and sharding and kind of what sharding is, but it's really crucial, to the crypto space, right? And Ethereum is looking to upgrade themselves, and start sharding. but it's taking very long. Okay, Ethereum's just not upgrading as quickly as everybody would like. And Near Protocol has gone ahead and taken that sharding strategy, and they have gone ahead and implemented it into their system. All right, now the next thing we're going to look at is Near partnering with Elliptic. Okay, they partnered with Elliptic to enhance on-chain security. All right, basically the partnership means that the Near blockchain and its native asset Near will have access to Elliptic's class-leading blockchain analytics and financial crime monitoring services. Okay, Near's mission is to help onboard billions of users into Web3. Right, that's their whole thing. Is they want to get billions and billions of people using this, and they're really on the right path to do so. With sharding and things like that, and just being a layer one blockchain versus like a layer two. There's a lot of really, really good things possible here in the future for Near Protocol. And it's one of the coins I'm most bullish on. Okay. Now, again, none of this is financial advice. I'm giving you guys an update. This is really for entertainment and education purposes. I want you guys to go out there, do some of your own research on Near Protocol. But in the meantime, I'll be making videos like these to, just kind of keep you guys up to date on what's going with Near Protocol. The agreement, right, between Elliptic and Near will provide users of Near with full visibility of the Near blockchain across Elliptic's full suite of products and services. This will initially include screening of crypto wallets and transactions on the Near blockchain through Elliptic's Lens and Navigator products, with plans to incorporate virtual asset providers and crime investigation capabilities through Elliptic's discovery and forensics. All right, blockchain techs are embedded in the financial mainstream, and giving businesses the tools to use them transparently is critical to their safe and secure adoption. Working with Near Foundation is another important step towards providing the deepest analytical and technical insight across a broad range of blockchain technologies to ensure businesses can identify trusted partners and work with crypto assets with confidence. All right. So that's basically it, guys. I gave you guys a brief update on the chart. Okay, we looked at the chart here. We, did a little bit of technical analysis. We're bouncing off some key base support levels, right? We have a possible inverse head and shoulders right here forming. We're looking for the breakout above the neckline there. We looked at Pagoda, all right, the world's first Web3 startup platform, and we looked at their partnership with Elliptic. All right, so if you found anything useful or valuable, anything like that in this video, please give me a like. Don't be afraid to subscribe either. I'm dropping videos daily, if not every other day. And, I upload multiple times a day. When I do upload, I'm pumping out anywhere from, 1 to 8 videos a day on the uploads, covering a broad range of things. Okay. Not just crypto, not just stocks, not just Near Protocol. I really like to dive deep and get into a lot of projects and really try to figure out which projects are here to stay and, which ones aren't. All right.